26th, Thanksgiving Day morning. Richie and Julia Renee visiting. Richie! Somebody get him to look over.
Daddy's boy. Daddy's boy. Hi, Daddy's boy.
Hey, there's a man. Look at him.
Daddy's boy. Look at Mama. Where's Daddy? Is he at work?
Yeah?
Where's Daddy? Oh.
Oh, Richie.
Yeah.
Oh, those are yours?
Hi, Nanny and Boppy. Hi, Nanny and Boppy. Say, come see us. We wish we could be with you. Yeah. Oh, say I'm a happy boy. Say, Mom and Daddy take good care of me. Yeah, happy boy. We have a lot to be thankful for today. Don't we? Yes.
Say that. I'm saying Mommy. Mom.
Whitney Cullum. Can you say hi to everybody?
What's her name?
This is Richie's little cousin, Whitney. Whitney Bryant. And there's Jonathan Bryant. Jonathan, sit back so I can see you. Oh, there he is. Jonathan and Whitney Bryant. Couple of little cuties over there. Then let's see who else we have. We have Sarah. Oh, there's Andrea. Sarah just ran away. Andrea and Mary. Hi, Mary.
Sarah, right here.
Okay, let's get Richie now. Let's see, where did he go? There he is. Whitney's going to help him out with his nipple. There you go.
Let's see, Jules.
Yeah, lift Jules up. Be careful.
She's just a baby.
Little tiny baby. Julia is 6 weeks old. Pam, could you do something about this interference? Julia.
Stop trying.
Julia.
Hitting her like a dog.
He's trying to get away from you.
I hope. Julia. How pretty girl. Her such a little baby. Julia. You baby face. Oh, look. Whitney giving her a kiss. How cute.
That's far out of his mouth so his Nanny and Boppy can see his face.
Yeah.
What are your children?
No.
Whitney, no. He don't need it.
He doesn't need it right now.
Okay. Pam.
What boy?
They're up.
Julie? And Heather?
Richie. We have people running in front of the camera. Richie.
How many kids are there, Cindy?
There are 9 of them today. It's wall-to-wall kids. So every time you see a head bop through the camera, that's another one of them. There's so many, we can't keep them out of the way. Richie. Hello, little man.
You pushed her.
Richie.
Had 2 of them.
Richie, hold it. He's pulling himself up here. Hi, little booger. Daddy's boy.
Do you want her in that?
Look at that.
He's a big man. And Whitney Cullum is playing with Richie. And there's Sarah Cheesecake over there. No, that's not Sarah. That's Julia. There's Mary Catherine, big helper.
Mary, why don't you sing a song?
Yeah, let's have some entertainment.
One of your favorite songs. We need a little interest.
Hi,
A little interest. Andrea, would you
Why don't y'all
like
turn on the
to sing
Christmas
a song
music?
for us? Take that pacifier out of his mouth.
There you go, Richie. Your first Christmas dance.
No, 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 no,
You didn't just get me, did you?
Mm. Richie. Let's see if we can get.
Ow!
Hey, baby.
There's Jonathan again.
Jonathan, sit down, please.
Ooh, he just got in trouble, yeah.
You got in trouble.
Jonathan Thomas Bryant.
Andrea, Sarah.
Whitney.
Call me Ian.
Whitney, no.
He's having a worse time reading on this.
Mm-hmm.
You can't see.
Well, folks, we're going to have to go fix a apple pie, so we're going to have to say goodbye for now.
Bye.
Bye-bye. Thanksgiving Day, Richie and David, Uncle David.
You smile at Cindy? Smile at Cindy. Get those blue eyes.
Get him going.
Get those blue eyes.
Richie. Smile for Uncle David.
Richie. Ricky.
Little Ricky.
Who's that?
That's Mom.
Let's get all your men around the corner, stuff it out. Look, it was like up in here. It was right here. It was right there.
So started your Christmas music again.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Ricky. Are you a daddy's boy? Ricky. Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Where's your teeth? Santa Claus gonna come see you? I bet he is. I bet he is. I bet he is. Yeah. What's that? That camera? You're getting out of the light.
Richie, comb your hair. Have Uncle David comb your hair for you. There you go. That's good.
Put this piece back here.
And comb the heart. Yeah.
That's enough, Cynthia.
Bye, Richie. I'll see you after a while. Be a sweet boy, okay?
Cindy.
Bye-bye, lovey. Bye, Rich.
Ricky.
Richie, Daddy's boy.
Everybody's calling you. Don't know where to look.
Jimmy, come! Hello,
Jimmy? Jasper. Okay, wait.
Jimmy.
I'm sorry, Jimmy. I didn't mean you to come over here. Jasper, look at you.
Come.
And how old is Jasper now?
I think he's 5 months. 5.5 months.
5.5 months. He's a big man.
There, Jim.
Hi, Jimmy. Jimmy.
Pretty boy. Pretty boy. Hello, Jasper. He's a pretty boy. Look at you. Sit. Jasper, sit. Big boy. Good boy. Good boy. Look at these paws. You go.
Yeah, because he's over 10 acres.
Like
So
this.
in County, they just passed me a law. You can't hunt under 10 acres.
Well, you don't see this a lot, but Lockhart here.
No, sweetheart. No.
Richie.
Down in Dallas City.
They don't account for him because they have
As a matter of fact, she was discharged at fire.
Same
they
one.
have the blitz coming here. Lockhart right up the middle.
Okay, go ahead, Jonathan.
Goes to step up. That's all we see.
Jonathan. All right, Jonathan. Way to go, buddy. Patrick.
Because I expect him to close any time.
And Julia Renee.
I know what I want to do before you go back. I want to go through the, I have the paperwork for the permission for the well and that kind of stuff.
Yes, that's good.
Papa Johnston.
Wait, let me see this. No, wait.
Put that.
We gotta fold this. Jonathan, you're over here. You know what you're gonna need?
Say hi, Nanny Bumpy. Say hi, Nanny Bumpy. This is me. I'm moving this time.
Say,
I'm a daddy's boy. I'm a daddy's boy.
Pat's gonna be right.
I'm a daddy's boy.
Cindy,
Say I'm a daddy's
Cindy,
boy.
Pam, David,
What's
and then Andrea, Sarah, Heather, Whitney, Julie.
Nothing.
I got my house
It's
on
done.
puppy.
Except the deed is in Bakersfield.
Okay, Sarah, look. You're gonna sit right here. Heather's gonna sit right here. Annie's right here. Okay? What?
And it's stupid. They're trying to get a stay right now. I'm
Oh,
talking
very
about 2
good. Let
weeks
me
ago.
see.
And they're trying to get a stay right now. It's really stupid because all they're doing is taking the deed for money. It's not like they're selling a property for a price. So the price is negotiable. What
Cam, you're on
happens
TV.
Is what they owe on their loan is what is an asset for this guy. And so the problem is, at least that instead of they owe, they'll save us taxes on
Okay. Now, pretty cute, huh?
Harder working 4-cylinder engines demand extra protection against friction. Valvoline 4-cylinder formula delivers.
I told them they
I don't know. No.
Valvoline you're pouring in. Valvoline 4-cylinder formula high performance.
That's all she does every day.
Very little.